Can less experienced skiers navigate Hunter Mountain safely? If you are wondering whether less experienced skiers can navigate Hunter Mountain safely, you are in for some good news. Hunter Mountain is a fantastic destination for skiers of all skill levels, including beginners. The resort offers a variety of terrain that is perfect for those still developing their skiing skills. With four separate faces, the mountain provides a wide range of trails, including gentle slopes that are ideal for novices. One of the standout features of Hunter Mountain is its world-class learning center. This center is designed specifically to support first-time skiers and those who are still learning. The Ski and Snowboard School offers both group and private lessons, allowing beginners to build their foundational skills in a safe environment. These lessons are tailored to different age groups and skill levels, ensuring that everyone gets the appropriate instruction they need. For those taking lessons, Hunter Mountain offers discounted lift tickets and rental packages. This means beginners can get all the necessary equipment and guidance in one convenient location. The resort also has well-maintained beginner trails and a dedicated bunny hill area. This allows less experienced skiers to practice their skills without the worry of encountering more challenging terrain. While Hunter Mountain is known for its advanced runs, including steep black diamond and double black diamond trails, these areas are clearly marked and separate from beginner zones. This separation is essential for ensuring that less experienced skiers can enjoy their time on the mountain without accidentally venturing into difficult areas. From the perspective of upstate New York adventures, Hunter Mountain is a key recreational asset in the Catskills region. Its proximity to New York City makes it an accessible destination for those looking to learn and enjoy winter sports. To navigate the mountains safely, less experienced skiers should take advantage of the ski school lessons and start on designated beginner trails. Using the resort's resources, such as trail maps and real-time operational alerts, can also help beginners plan their routes safely. By following these guidelines, less experienced skiers can confidently navigate Hunter Mountain, making the most of their skiing experience while minimizing risks.